Hi, I'm Nikki Jabor, and winter is seed catalog season. This is when gardeners anxiously wait for their favorite seed catalogs to arrive in the mail. And seed catalogs are a great way to help you decide what to grow in your garden. I've got some tips to help you select the best seeds. When flipping through seed catalogs, you may notice descriptions like OP or open pollinated, heirloom, or hybrid. But what do these terms mean, and how can they help you grow a better garden? Let's break down each type of seed. Open pollinated or OP varieties are those which are pollinated naturally by insects, the wind, birds, or even gardeners like us. You can save the seeds from your open pollinated varieties to plant again the following year. Heirloom seeds for vegetables like tomatoes are very popular with gardeners, and for good reason. They often have unbeatable flavors. An heirloom is an open pollinated variety, but not all open pollinated varieties are heirlooms, because heirloom seeds are also varieties that are at least 50 years old. Many have been passed down through families from generation to generation. Because they are open pollinated, you can collect and save the seed of heirloom varieties from year to year. Hybrid seeds are often listed as F1 in seed catalogs. These are the product of controlled pollination, where two different but compatible varieties are crossed by humans to create a new variety. These are not genetically modified organisms, but are the result of plant breeding and make excellent plants for your home garden. Many hybrids offer improved characteristics like early maturity, larger yields, and disease resistance. So which types of seeds should you grow? Well, in my garden, I plant a mixture of heirlooms, open pollinated, and hybrid seeds. They all have their advantages. For example, heirlooms and open pollinated offer incredible flavors and a lot of genetic diversity as well as beautiful colors, whereas hybrids often offer increased disease resistance and larger yields. While I buy seeds from a handful of seed companies, I try to source my heirloom and open pollinated varieties from a local company. Locally grown seeds have been shown to gradually adapt to the local climate and growing conditions. This means seeds which are grown by a seed company in my region may grow better in my garden than the same variety bought from a seed company on the other side of the country. One final tip, be sure to look at the days to maturity information listed beside each variety in your seed catalog. This is going to tell you how long it takes to grow and mature and whether or not your growing season offers enough time for you to enjoy a harvest.